All right, everybody, welcome back to G3. I got a little bit of a different video here today. This one's going to be for adding a rail to a Glock 43, 43X, or 48 non-MOS. So here I have Glock 43X and a Glock 48. Neither one of them, when I purchased them, came with a rail to add either a light or a laser. But I still wanted the firearms. They're great. I love them. I carry pretty much every day one of these. So I want to add a light, and came across this on Amazon the other day. This is made by Recover, and it is a rail adapter compatible for Glock 43, 43X, 48 non-MOS. So we're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to install it on one of these and show you how it goes on. All right, here we go. So before we get going, here's the 43X. No magazine, nothing in the chamber. Okay. Close that one. Glock 48, again, no magazine, nothing in the chamber. All right, so here you go. You got your instructions. Pretty much nothing to it. It's pretty simple, straightforward. All right. So here we have the two parts of the rail that go around your trigger guard. So it'll go on just like that, and then the other goes on right there. So the next one, they give you an Allen wrench, small one, and then put those top there, two screws and your two nuts. So I'm not going to use this Allen wrench. I'm going to use my own little tool, but I think I'm going to put this on the 48. All right, so here, just going to drop one of the nuts in there, put your finger over the nut to keep it in, slide it on, put that one on, insert your screw, and tighten. Don't over tighten it though. That's pretty tight right there. All right, so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to drop screw or the nut, put the screw in, and there you go. Don't over tighten. All right, so there's the rail on it. It does not interfere with the action. You can actually, you might not be able to see it here, but you can see through a little bit there. So there is a gap. A little bit of a lip there, but not much. It does not interfere. And if we wanted to add a light, got one right here. Slide that on, and you just tighten down. And there you go. So that's the rail made by Recover. That, again, it's for a Glock 48, 43X, and 43 that are non-MOS. All right, I'll have a link to this in the description below. As always, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, so it'll help grow my channel. And I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.